namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. Okay, so if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel by liking, subscribing, commenting. Whenever you subscribe to my channel, please press on the notification bell for more updates. Okay, so if you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so very much for subscribing, liking, commenting. Thank you so very much, means a lot. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today's pick a card reading is about your next 365 days, how your next 365 days will be. We'll be talking about overall energies, we'll be talking about the blessings, your love life, your career, and then we'll just use charms and letters also for extra information. Okay, so everything okay, so remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. So I have three groups over here. So the first group is the selenite crystal. For the group number 2 we have this coins, and for group number 3 it's the amethyst crystal pendulum, sorry, amethyst pendulum. Okay, so close your eyes, relax. Okay, take your time. So if you need more time, take your time, relax, connect with yourself, and then select a group that calls to you or an object that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so the timestamps will be in the description box. So so just go there and watch your video. Okay, so I'm gonna go with group number 1. Okay, so hello group number 1. If you chose this selenite crystal, then this is your reading with me for so let's see what is going to happen for you guys for the next 365 days. So what will be your energy? So these two cards will say what will be your general energy for the next 365 days. With the selenite crystal, I feel you're very protected. Okay, you're very protected. Your divine is protecting you. So even if you feel that you are in the circumstances where things are going very wrong, trust the divine is with you and you will overcome everything. So the next 365 days, even if you find yourself in a even if you find yourself in a place where you don't know where to go next, you at the end you will make that step because divine is protecting you. So there is a lot of protection around you. Okay, so let's see what is the general energy for you guys for the next 365 days. So we have deception and envy and third eye chakra. Okay, so for many of you, I feel for the next 365 days what is changing is like you are understanding your own patterns that is sabotaging you. Maybe for some of you, you're understanding your procrastination, or maybe you are envying other people, you're understanding that, because with this oh god, third eye chakra, things are becoming very clear. So expect lot of clarity for the next 365 days. For some of you, I feel it can be about yourself, that you're getting a clear vision about yourself, who you are, what are the things that is not good that you're doing. You know, whenever you become envious of someone, you will be like, you will feel it like, yes, I'm getting envy and this is not good. So that kind of energy is I'm feeling like you're going to have a very clear picture. Okay, very clear picture. For some of you, you will be doing a lot of shadow work also, I'm getting, for the next 365 days. And of course you will understand who you know, for some of you it can be you're understanding your own ego, you're understanding your own deception. If you have been not doing the things properly, you will be aligning to your truest self. Okay, so for many of you it can be like that, you're doing things for the sake of doing it, and that is not making you happy, and finally you are removing that mask and you will be doing something that you want to do. So for many of you, you're removing the mask, you're not wearing a mask anymore. You are like going to show the truest true self of you to other people. Okay, for maybe in a relationship, sometimes we hide ourselves, right? We don't show our truest self, we become someone else, right? To fit in there. So finally what is happening is like you are not gonna fit in anymore, and you are you are going to be very true to yourself. You're going to expand your third eye chakra. For some of you, if you're working on your third eye chakra, definitely it's expanding. Your vision is going to be very, very clear. You will be shown the truth. I'm getting, okay. Sometimes the truth is not going to be very good, but definitely it will be for your benefit. And look at the protection comes here, like the divine is protecting you, okay. So sometimes it can be your own truth that will bring some emotions inside of you, but at the end I feel you're going to do a lot of shadow work for the next 365 days. You will be changing as a person. If you have done something in your past, that was not good for your, that was not truth, or that was not aligning with your truest thing, right? So I feel you will be making the necessary changes. For some of you, it can be this envy energy, like you are envying other people, you're comparing yourself to other people. For the next 365 days, what you will be understanding is that you cannot achieve anything by envying other, by comparing other people. So you are going to make that change inside of you, because the truth is going to be shown to you, guys. So for some of you, you will be connecting the dots from your past, what happened in the past, maybe that because of that you felt like this, and lot of changes. Expect a lot of changes from inside of you. That I feel for many of you, it's like an ego death is gonna happen, like it's a transformation, complete transformation of you. Maybe if you are not even on the spiritual path, expect like in the next 365 days you will be following a spiritual path, doing some meditation, like that kind of energy. And for us, it can also be that you will be understanding other people if other people is like not so good, you will understand, because you will have that clear vision. For some of you, in a relationship, if someone is not so good, they are doing something, something not good, you will understand that. So that truth, for some of you, it can be in relationship, in in your work life. If someone is doing something shady work, you will be shown that the truth is gonna come out. Okay, so expect that. So it is not going to be very easy when we see that truth, right? It's not going to be very easy, but definitely it will be for your benefit, okay. And you will have this clear vision. For some of you, it's like you are understanding who you are. Maybe you were wearing this mask for so long that you didn't know who you are, right? You didn't understand what you want. Maybe you were so programmed to do the things what other people told you, and you never even went inside of you. You never did that. For you guys, it's like I'm feeling like in the next 365 days you will be understanding who you are, what you came here for, what you want. It's about you. Ego death, changing your behavior patterns that is not good for you. If for some of you, you'll be working on your anger issues, or if you're gossiping, you will be stopping that. You will be not putting that much your energy into that things that is not good. So for the next 365 days, expect a lot of changes inside of you. You are going to remove the mask. You're going to have a very clear picture about yourself, and you're going to connect to your truest desire, what you want. Okay, it can be also, in your career, you wanted to do something and you were doing something else for the sake of finances or something like that. So you will be making that shift, changing that thing, the thing, something about that. You're changing yourself, and you will love yourself more. I feel like that more self-love is also coming for you guys. So let's see. Okay, so these two cards will talk about your career. Okay, and we have 7 of Wands and 4 of Pentacles, right? So with the 7 of Wands, look at the orange color, your sacral chakra, right? A lot of creative ideas. I'm getting, you have a lot of creative ideas, you have a lot of passion, but somewhere you have not explored it yet, right? In your career, you have a passion you want to follow, but at the same time, you're not very courageous to follow that path. So what I'm seeing is like, in the next 365 days, you will be making that change. You will be following your own passion. So you're very passionate about something. You're going to stand your ground. You will have a lot of passion to do that. A lot of that fiery energy I'm getting here. And yeah, you're removing that mask. I'm seeing that you're going to do something that you want to do in your career. Maybe it can be like complete career change for some of you, or maybe maybe for some of you it can be like you can be in the same company, or maybe you're changing the work there, and that will bring a lot of order. So a lot of order is coming in your career. A lot of stability is coming in your career. This passion will give you a lot of stability, security. Okay, here I feel like right now, maybe for some of you, you're in a job that you're not passionate about. I feel like that for some of you it's a job that you're just doing for the sake of doing it, but I feel for many of you, you know what you want to do. You have a passion, right? You need to, you want to give birth to a new idea or something, but at the same time you're so fearful, right? But what I see in the next 365 days is like you are going to be on fire. You will be full of passion. You will be doing your thing. Okay, you will not care about other people. You're going to connect to your truest desire, and everything will be in order. At the end, everything will be the order. Okay, you don't have to worry about it too much. Just follow your passion, stand your ground, keep on working on the path that is I feel for this pile, the most success you will get in your career when you align to your truest thing that makes you happy, that you're passionate about. Don't do something that is not, that doesn't make you happy, or you just, you know, when you get up for work, you're like, oh, why I have to go to work. Don't do something that makes you feel like that. Okay, yeah, I know for some of you it can be because of money that you have to do this work, but you know what is your passion is. With this card, I feel like that you know what your passion is, but at the same time you're fearing whether it will provide you that security, stability, you know. But you need to take that first step. You need to go for it. Okay, you need to connect with yourself more, right? For some of you, I even feel like that you need to take meditation very, very seriously now. Okay, because with this third eye chakra, because truth is coming out, right? You will be shown the way, and you, maybe for some of you, or clairvoyance, and you will see in your mind's eye. Sometimes we see it and we it's just we know it intuitively, but we cannot see the reality. So it's important you trust your intuition, because at the end everything will be in order. Things will be coming in order. Okay, for some of you it's like you're holding on to something. You're holding on to something. You're not exploring things. You're not coming out of your comfort zone. So it's important you come out of your comfort zone. When you come out of your comfort zone, you will be so happy to do your work. That is what I feel, because you have this passion, you have this hunger inside of you to do something that you want to do. Maybe it's art, something that you're very interested in, or maybe because wand energy is full of fiery energies, you're just very passionate about this thing, but at the same time you're so worried also whether this will give you the money, or give you the status, or give you the stability. But you don't have to worry about that. You know, you just need to follow your passion, need to follow your heart, because you haven't done that for so long with this deception and envy. You haven't done that. You haven't been aligned with your truest self, right? So the next 365 days, expect a lot of changes in you. You might be changing a lot of things, a lot of behavior, breaking some behavior patterns. Okay, not indulging with people who just gossip. Maybe your friend groups will change. So a lot of changes you're making. Okay, but at the end everything will be in the order. Okay, don't worry. It's like I'm getting like, don't worry, you're worrying too much about your career or something like that. So don't worry. Don't worry to get out of your comfort zone. Just take that first step. Okay, so let's see love life. Oh, we have the Tower and Knight of Wands. Okay, for some of you, it this deception and we have Tower. So for some of you, you will be understanding the truth of this person, and yeah, the Tower moment is not so good. You will be feeling betrayed or something like that. For some of you, you can experience a breakup if you have already experienced it. Yes, so that maybe for some of you, you have already overcome this. For others, maybe you will understand who this person is really is. Maybe this person is gossiping, or maybe he is cheating or she is cheating, something like that. Okay, might happen. Or maybe you will understand that this person is not for you. and you will be breaking up. So yeah, there is a relationship change here. And look at this, we have Knight of Wands coming here. For some of you, you will meet a person who is very, very, very passionate about things. Okay, maybe for some of you, you might meet this person at work also. I feel like this fire sign, this person will be very, very, very passionate. Maybe it can be, love life. I feel if you're for some of you, if you're in a relationship, if you're in a very good relationship, I'm not saying that you will broke up or no. In that case, a lot of passion is coming into your relationship, right? For if you're single, definitely a person is coming who will be a fire sign, who will have a lot of passion. Maybe they will have same ideas as you. Maybe they will have the, maybe you will vibe with your passion. I'm getting your passion, right? A lot of energy. And even getting your sex life will be like very passionate or something like that. So a lot of passion, expect a lot of passion here. If you're already in a very stable relationship, the relationship will have more passion. Okay, so yeah, we will be spicing up things, and you will be very surprised by that. Maybe for some of you, I feel like that also. But definitely a lot of passion is there. In your career also, I see a lot of passion. In love life also, there is a lot of passion, because you are connecting with your truest desire. Okay, I feel that's the reason, when we connect with our truest desire, then we feel a lot of passion. Otherwise everything will feel so dull, right? So that is what I feel like. Okay, for some of you, yeah, there is a chance of breakup also, and connecting with new person who will be very passionate, or maybe this person will have the same passion as you. Okay, so you will be vibing together. That is also I feel like. Yeah, we have new love and getting to know each other. First, if you're single, definitely it can be a fire sign for sure. Okay, I feel like that fire sign energy, not necessary, but definitely this person will have that fiery energy. This person will be very, very passionate about the things. Love life also, everything will be very passionate. So yeah, a new person has stirred your romantic feelings. So if you know this person, yes, this is the one, and you will be getting to know each other. You will be spending time together. Yeah, and yeah, so next 365 days your relationship is going to progress. Maybe you both do something that is same. Maybe there is a hobby that you will share, and this person is also very interested in that, and you will be also very interested in that. Yeah, you will be doing that together, enjoying time together, getting to know each other, talking at night, a lot of FaceTiming or something like that, right? Yeah, that is also possible for many of the single people who single people. But I feel if you are in a very secure relationship, all I feel is like the passion will be heightened. that is what I feel like. For some of you, definitely it can be a breakup. Maybe it can lead to a divorce also. And for some of you, it can also be like you will be in this passionate energy where you will be moving forward with your life, doing the things you're passionate about, not worrying about love. For some of you, that can also happen. Maybe focusing more on your spirituality, on your passion, on your career. Okay, so let's see what are the blessings for you guys for the next 365 days. Look, great passion. Yeah, passion, lot of passion in your love life, your career, altogether a lot of passion will be there. Look, a lot of changes, a change for the better. Yeah, for some of you, this relationship, the breakup of this relationship will be very good for you, because you will be meeting the one for some of you. Okay, and for others also, I feel like you will be connecting with yourself more, your passion more. You will be getting out of your comfort zone. As I said, you need to get out of your comfort zone. So I feel like you will be getting out of your comfort zone. You will be finally becoming the butterfly, flying high, getting your own freedom. For some of you, if you are going through a divorce case, I feel like that you will get your freedom. Okay, and you will be very passionate with life again. Okay, yeah, sorrow over loss, you are overcoming this sorrow. Yeah, you have went through, yeah, with this tower. Yeah, you will overcome this loss. Okay, that is what I feel like. And you are going to be very passionate. Look, you're on the road to success. No one can stop your success. In love life also, for some of you, this relationship will take off. As I said, you're going to be very, very passionate. You're going to see the things very clear. Okay, when we have that clarity, we take action. So For this pile, for next 365 days, you will be taking action on your passion. You will be connecting with your truest desire. Your third eye chakra is going to be very, very open, and the things that are not serving you will break away from you. Maybe it can be friendships that are not good for you, the people who are not good for you, toxic family members, toxic, yeah, for some of you it can be your toxic behavior, your own behavior patterns that is not good for you. You will be letting it go. Everything is going to change, and you're going to be in this you're going to become a person who is going to be very free, and this person will this new person, I feel like you will become a complete new person. A lot of transformation I sense for you guys, and this new one will have a lot of passion, and you will be following that passion, and you're like over this loss. You'll not be focusing too much on your losses. Instead, you will be focusing on your success, like moving forward. Like this mountain road is not going to be easy, but you will be going, right? So yeah, so what is your advice? Envy. I am the same as everybody, but with different challenges. Yes, that is your advice also. Envy, we have the deception and envy. So what is, I really feel that you are going to work on this comparison thing. You're letting go of that. You're letting go of some of you. Definitely it can be your habit. You're changing. You're completely becoming a new person. I feel like that. You're letting go of that comparison. You're not comparing yourself to other people. You're not envying other people. You're just following your passion. Okay, for this pile, you're becoming a more better person each day. Okay, that is what I feel like. And yes, you're doing good, and this is the thing. Everyone has challenges. Sometimes we see, in social media we see a person's success, but we don't see how they achieve that. They achieved through a lot of obstacles. They had to maybe they have overcome a lot of failure, but we only see the success. So don't compare someone's journey to yourself, because you are on the first stage but they might be in their last stage, right? So don't compare that, because you are going to achieve the success. Okay, I feel for this pile is like, if you follow your passion, you will achieve the most success. So go out, take that first step. If you have already taken, yes, success is there. Okay, so let's, oh wow, look, the sunrise. Every sunrise, sing a song. Don't worry, be happy, just sing along. So have some fun, have some joy, believe in your ideas, believe in your passion, keep on moving forward. Things are going to be very, very clear for you guys. Okay, so yeah, so trust yourself. Okay, so let's see what the charms have to add to this for you guys. I'm just gonna change this. Let's do for group number 1 what the charms have to add to this. Okay, we have a lot of charms coming out. Yeah, love, unicorn magic. Okay, so for some of you, you are going to travel also. You'll be loving traveling. Maybe you will start cycling also in the next 365 days. Maybe you will be you will be cycling and you will be loving it. Okay, for some of you I feel like that. Okay, and with this I'm getting the chariot energy, movement forward. So you are going to move forward with your passion. Okay, so yeah, look, again we have the lion, Leo energy, passion. You're going to act. So it's time to act, time to act on your passion. So next 365 days you will be very passionate. Yeah, high heels, you will be playing a different role, completely becoming a different person, right? So changing your habits. Yeah, you're gonna fix a lot of things of your past. Look at these two tools. Yeah, you're gonna fix a lot of things inside of you. Lot of shadow work energy I'm getting here. Look, we have the mirror also. Yeah, a lot of shadow work. The envy you have, you're letting go of your ego. You're changing a lot of things. You're understanding that before you try to change others, you have to change yourself, and you will be doing that. You are going to do that, and because of that you're going to follow something that calls to you, that speaks to you. Look, we have the mask. Yeah, you're removing the mask. You have been wearing this mask, and for some of you, other people's masks are coming out. Yeah, the truth is coming out, the clarity is coming out, right? We have, look at the mask, right? The mask is coming out. Yeah, right? So yeah, you're going to be very free. That is what I feel. You will have, look, we will have the clear picture. You will have all the answers. Okay, For some of you, maybe you are relocating, maybe it's possible you might open a new office or maybe a new home, okay, yeah, new flat, okay. Okay, I just saw a number 422. So if you feel like call to search that number, just search it, just a number, okay. So yeah, lot of growth with this leaves fairy. Have fun. Your ancestors are, as I said, you are very protected. Your ancestors are with you, okay. Just follow your bliss. That is what I have to say. Look, lot of love, self love is coming, and for some of you definitely a lot of passion. So for some of you it can be self-love, for some others, if you're single, definitely this relationship with this Knight of Wands will be very passionate, okay. Expect that. L-O. So let's look at the words also. E, and we have, if we have V, then it's a love. Okay. We have okay, we don't have a V. Yeah, you will be daring a lot of things. Dare, yes. Okay, with this dare, what I feel like, yeah, you're getting out of your comfort zone. You are doing something that you never thought you will do. Yeah, you're overcoming a lot of fear, and you're removing that mask, and you are going to be your own true self, okay. The person who loves themselves and who is going to be more kind, okay. And for some of you, you will be you can see your manifestations coming if you're using law of attraction or something like that. Yes, that is also coming. Tuesday, I'm getting the date Tuesday might be important for you guys. Dora. Oh, exploring. Like, yeah, you're gonna explore yourself. With this Dora, I feel like exploring things, having the adventure, going to new places, doing things that you never did before, right? Seeing the truth. So yeah, that is what I feel like. For some of you, maybe you will be doing a Halloween costume. I don't know. Maybe you will be wearing some Dora clothes. I don't know. But definitely, maybe you will be buying that for your kids. Okay, so that is also coming. And that's interesting, Dora, right? Then what else? Anything else? Yeah, that's it. Door. I'm getting door, and we had the keys, right? Yeah, we have DOR, but yeah, but I feel like, yeah, we have an O here. So yeah, we got the door. New opportunities, right? New ideas and new door. Maybe literally it can be a new door that you will be unlocking, right? We have the keys, right? New home, right? New job. So yeah, that's it for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Group number 2, if you chose this coins, then this is your reading with me. So for the next 365 days, these 2 cards will say the overall energy for you guys for the next 365 days. So let's see, what is it. Oh, we have light, that is the sun card in the deck, tarot deck, and we have prosperity begins, that is Ace of Pentacles. Wow. So yeah, a lot of hope, a lot of light is there. So a lot of happiness, renewal, new beginnings, a lot of abundance, a lot of prosperity, a lot of happy times, a lot of celebration, enjoying life, having fun, travel. For some of you, getting yeah, a lot of light. Look, this woman has so much of light. She's like, oh my god, so much of light. I've never seen this much of light in my life. That is the energy, right? And interestingly, this reduces to 1, and this is also 1, right? So yeah, 1 maybe you're seeing 11. Okay, I'm getting that energy also. So new beginning, new starts are coming. So if you have been planting the seeds, yeah, it's going to give you a lot of rewards, a lot of financial opportunities. Your finances are going to increase, right? So if you have been trying to yeah, if you have been trying to make some coins, yes, that's coming. Okay, so finances wise, wealth, prosperity, abundance, a lot of growth in money I see. If you have been trying, if you have been wanting a new job, I see that is also coming for you guys. So a lot of opportunities, a lot of light, a lot of hope, a lot of lot of nice lifestyle I'm getting. You will have everything you need. So only the thing is, like, you need to work on is might be your lack mindset. And whenever you receive a blessing, give the gratitude to the divine, because next 365 days I see a lot of happiness, right? A lot of fulfillment for you guys. So let's see, in your work life, in your career, I have these two cards, so let's see what is going to be. Wow, we have growth. Yeah, look at the greenery, and we have Ace of Swords. That is energy. So if you're working on something, if you keep on working on it, it will grow. Okay, so where you focus your energy on, that will grow. So if you focus on energy on disappointments or the things that is not working, that will grow. Okay, so if you are look, this is Princess, this is a Page of Pentacles. It's again about pentacles, right? Look at the cow is, I feel like good luck, right? This cow, I feel like that. A lot of greenery, a lot of like, I feel for many of you, you're planting the seeds, and these seeds are gonna grow, but it will take time. You need to be patient with yourself, because there is a lot of growth in your career. So where you put your energy, that is where the things will grow. Okay, so don't put your energy on something that you don't want in your life. So focus on the things in your career that you want. So if you have a passion, focus on that, keep on working on that. Let go of the expectations, because yes, your money is going to grow, things are gonna grow for you guys. You will get the finances, you will get the stability, and this career will make you happy. For some of you, literally it can be a new job that you will get a new job, something good news about your job. Okay, about finances is going to happen for you guys in the next 365 days. A lot of success, a lot of victory in the career area. Okay, a lot of growth, lot of expansion, lot of financial expansion. For some of you, a raise, a bonus, you can expect that. For some of you, I feel like you might start something from your home, or maybe you will learn some new skills, and that will give you a lot of money or something like that. Okay, yeah. Maybe if you're doing some side hustle, yeah, that might grow. Maybe for some of you, you might make your side hustle a business or a career. Okay, so that is also quite possible. And for some of you, I'm getting this freelancing. Maybe you do that, you will get a lot of opportunities. Maybe you will be collaborating with a lot of people. So a lot of good news related to your career area, a lot of growth, a lot of new beginnings, because we have, look at that, we have 1 1 1, so 3 ones you got now, right? This is 1, this is 1, this is 1, right? So place your energy onto the things you want to grow. Okay, so yeah, so career looks good for you guys. For some of you, I am also getting promotion, bonus, if you have been wanting to, if you have been putting that energy. So remember, if you work hard, you will get it. So it's up to you. If you work hard, you will make it happen. In the next 365 days, you will make it happen. So keep focusing on your goals, move forward in your career. What are your goals? Keep on moving forward with that. Okay, connect with your passion and keep on moving forward, because there is a lot of greenery, there is a lot of green, there is a lot of abundance for you guys. Okay, so next two cards will speak about your love life, and we have Death card and the Empress. Okay, so for some of you, with this Death card, literally in your love life, it's like, for some of you, I feel if you're married, your marriage will go on a different level. Maybe you will have more understanding. Yeah, so if you had misunderstanding, like a renewal, I'm getting this renewal vibe, where you're completely changing things. Your person is understanding you more, you are understanding them more. And look at the Empress, there is a lot of abundance, a lot of happiness in your life with this Empress. Empress is so kind, right? She's so kind, she has everything, she's abundant, she's so loving, she's so caring. So yeah, you're going to become, for some of you, if you're a woman, you're going to become this person. Okay, you will be taking care of your family. Okay, and all the misunderstandings you had in the past in your marriage, if you're already married, if you're going through a lot of problems, what I see is like the end of these problems, you will be understanding more, and yeah, understanding more, coming closer. That is what the first thing I felt. For some of you, literally with this death card, maybe yeah, maybe a relationship will go, yeah, a complete transformation, and you will be loving yourself, taking care of yourself, doing the things you want to do. For some of you it can be that thing, you know, maybe focusing on your career, making the coins, you know. Empress is also about abundance. Again, you got this abundance card, so a lot of abundance, lot of love. And yeah, I'm getting this misunderstandings will be resolved, a lot of support from other people. And if you're single, definitely, if you're a male watching this, what I feel like, if you're single, a woman is going to enter your life who will be so kind, who will be so compassionate, who will be giving you the love. This person is so kind, he will this person will keep your family together. They have all sorted out, and they will make your life magical. Okay, so that is also I feel like for some of you. Okay, if you're a male, so let's see. If you're female, you will be this energy. Okay, you will be taking care of your family, your relationships will be very, very good. Yeah, Empress, look at that, all the abundance, lot of abundance in love life, lot of abundance in career. So this group is very good. Yeah, express your love and trust. Yeah, right now if you're going through a major problem, if you have misunderstanding in your love life, if you're feeling, if you're single, if you're feeling that nothing, you know, you will not get any relationship right now, trust. All you need to have faith, because yes, if you're a male, definitely a person is coming. Maybe this person can be a Virgo sign, or a Taurus. Yeah, I'm getting this Virgo Taurus sign person will come and make your love life so good. This person will give you so much of happiness. Okay, this person will keep your family together. Okay, yeah, for some of you, maybe you will remarry this person. Okay, maybe you will go through a divorce, and then you will find this person and remarry. So right now all you need to is trust, and this person, I feel like this person will express a lot of love, and you will feel so loved. So a lot of love is coming. And for others, it's about self-love, embracing self-love more, taking care of yourself more. And if you're single, take care of yourself more, trust, because yeah, someone is coming your way, and you will be this person will express a lot of love, and you will feel loved. Okay, and your marriage, I feel like renewal of your marriage, you know, endings and then new beginnings, you know. So that is what, getting to know each other more, expressing love and becoming stronger. Okay, your relationship are becoming stronger. Okay, so yeah, next 365 days, yeah, your relationships are getting stronger. Love life, for some of you it can be friendship, you will be building a lot of friendships. Your family life is going to be very good. Okay, so yeah, for some of you, you lost a loved one, and that you will be overcoming that also. Trust right now, you will be moving forward with that. And you're going to be the Empress, you're going to have everything. Okay, with this Empress energy, you have the Sun energy, you have the Ace of Pentacles, you have the Ace of Swords, right? Overall, a new start, new beginnings, a renewal, happiness. That is what I feel for you guys, right? So a lot of happiness, overall energy is a lot of happiness, growth. You will be expressing your love, they will be expressing your love. So all you need to right now, if you're feeling low, if you're feeling that you're lacking something, have trust, have faith, because everything is going to be wonderful for you guys. Okay, so yeah, and remember, you are the Empress. Okay, you are the Empress. Yeah, you will have everything. Wow, the blessing, wealth, as I said, a lot of money, increase in money, new opportunities, possibilities and paths opening up. Look, we have a lot of new opportunity, new job that will give you a lot of finances, new love life, everything. So okay, look, we have a woman here. For some of you, if you're definitely a male watching this, I see a female is entering your life. She will have her finances sorted, she will be so kind, she will be so caring, and she is things, things will not be always this way. Change is coming. Yes, your life is going to change, right? In the next 365, this person will make you fall in love all over again. For some of you, definitely it is the thing. And for if you're already if you're a female watching this, I feel a female will come in your life. She might be your best friend, and she might help you. So woman energy is strong. This person is the Empress for sure. This person is very kind, because this came in blessings, right? This person is very kind, this person is very strong, this person has a lot of good advice, right? She will take care of you. So yeah, a lot of good friendship also. So yeah, if you have a woman like this is your blessing. Yeah, if you haven't met this person already, yeah, this person is coming your way for sure, because we have empress and woman. Definitely this person will give you a lot of happiness. That is what I feel. Maybe for some of you it can be an opportunity regarding your finances, career. Maybe they will help in there, and things are going to change. You're not going to be the caterpillar, you're going to be the eagle. Okay, you will see, you will overcome all the obstacles, you will overcome everything. And yes, so whenever an obstacle comes, don't give up, move forward, because there is so much abundance for you guys. Group number 2, I have to say this. Right now you're the caterpillar, you're not getting out of your comfort zone, worrying about things, but things are going to change. Okay, trust me, we have that card. A lot of huge transformation in your love life, in your career. Love life, huge transformation. Okay, so I'm getting this remarrying. Maybe you will remarry. Okay, that is also coming here. So yeah, you're healing, you're growing, you're becoming a better person. Wow, nice. New opportunities, increase in finances. Oh, wow, your cards are good. Release. Sometimes the only thing to do is laugh or cry. It's up to you. Yeah, you need to release your past. Though all the things right now you need to do is like things are going to be not the same. All you need to release the things that is blocking your success. Okay, you need to work on it. For some of you it can be a past that is blocking you, maybe your ideas, your limited beliefs. That is what you need to work on it. Release it, cry, scream, release these things that is not good for you, because there is so much goodness, right? There is so much happiness. And what is your advice from spirit? Look, yeah, failure. I understand that a mistake is only an opportunity to learn. Yeah, so the spirit is saying maybe in this process you might make mistake. That doesn't mean that that you will not reach your goal. So maybe in your career also there might be times when you will feel like, oh, things are not working out. Maybe you will feel where I'm going, that might happen. Maybe you will fail sometime, but spirit is saying you will overcome it. You will overcome all the obstacles. You have that power. Okay, and whenever you make a mistake, learn from that mistake and don't repeat the mistake and move forward. Okay, so yeah, it's beautiful, guys. So let's see for the charms, what do you have for group number 2. Let's see for the next 365 days. Okay, yeah, keep on moving forward, guys. Keep on moving forward. Don't lose hope. Don't look, just trust. Everything will be okay. You're very intelligent people. There are fairies with you. They are guiding you. And look, you're going to be very, 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 very busy. Yeah, next 365 days you will be busy with your work. You'll be busy with your love life. You'll be busy, busy, busy. And yes, you're going to reap your rewards. You're going to reap that sweet abundance. Okay. So we have H, D, C, T, we have F, and then we have T. FD, maybe for some of you, you need to maintain some financial discipline, okay, because you will get a lot of money. So maybe you need to have this fixed deposit or something like that. Okay, yeah, you might receive a lot of money, as I said, a lot of wealth increase, and so have a financial discipline. Yeah, that is important. Okay. So let's see what else for my group number 2. Complete transformation. Complete transformation. Lot of big changes for you guys. Okay. Things are going to get better soon. Don't worry. Right now I feel like you're in this lacking energy where you feel that you don't have enough. Okay. Don't focus too much on that. Focus on the things you already have and give thanks to the divine. Or maybe for some of you, you are buying a new camera, DSLR. Okay, that is what I feel like. New good camera, maybe taking good pictures. Yeah, that is also I felt. Yeah, a lot of passion, Leo. Okay, maybe this friend can be Leo also. Okay, Leo sign I'm getting, and with this Leo, a lot of passion is there. You're going to move forward. Keep moving forward with your goals, guys. Maybe you're a Leo. Okay, maybe that's confirming here. E and H. O. Okay. yeah, you're coming out of this dark hole. I feel like, you know, you have been in this hole where you don't know where you need to go, but finally you're overcoming that and moving forward in your life. Okay, for yeah, for some of you in your love life, I feel like that you have in this dark spot, now you're coming to light. Okay, yeah, you have lost a lot of things maybe. Yeah, with this death card, I feel like death card, yeah, a lot, maybe you will lose you have already lost a relationship. Yeah, you have lost hope. For some of you, literally you have lost hope, you have lost everything, but you're gaining back. Okay, then anything else? Yeah, that's it for group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Group number 3, if you chose this amethyst pendulum, so stick around, we'll be doing charms and letters also. So let's talk about your general energy for the next 365 days. We have suffering in silence and we have heart chakra. Okay, so for many of you, you are healing your heart chakra the next 365 days. You're healing, for some of you, you're healing your depression. Okay, so if you were not able to sleep properly, if you had anxiety, you're healing that. For some of you, you're healing your health issues. You know, for some of you it can be, I'm getting this mental health issues that you had, you're healing that. You're opening up your heart center to more love and light. For some of you, you're focusing more on your spirituality. Look at the sun is rising, right? So yeah, finally the sun is going to rise. You're healing your heart, so focus in your heart chakra. So a lot of love is coming your way, a lot of green energy. Your aura is going to be very, very green. I'm getting a lot of stability, security. With this 4 number, I'm seeing 444 now, and we have 9. 9 is about completion of a chapter. You have suffered a lot. For some of you, yeah, getting out of the depression, finally healing. And healing is a process, it's difficult, but definitely you are overcoming your challenges in your life. You were suffering so much, but finally that is completely, you're healing your heart. You're moving towards like good things in your life. That is what I feel like. Okay, a lot of good things. For some of you, it can be your health issues that you're healing. So with this heart chakra, you're healing your heart center. You're focusing on your love. You're focusing on self love. You're taking you know, you're doing things that is good for you. Okay, for some of you, releasing yourself from toxic field, toxic people, and taking care of yourself. That is what you're gonna do the next 365 days. That is what is coming for you guys. A lot of green energy, and green is so beautiful, right? You will be spending more time in nature, connecting with yourself, connecting with Mother Earth Gaia. So I'm getting this pile is going to focus more on their spirituality. Okay, to release that that pain, the suffering you had in your life. For some of you will be journaling a lot, and if you are not do journaling, that will help you a lot. So definitely you're going to heal your heart. That is what I feel for the next 365 days. You're healing yourself, you're healing everything about yourself, and you are gonna do something that you like. You're doing something for yourself, focusing more on self-love for group number 3. Spirituality also. So let's see your career. For these 2 cards will tell me about your career. So let's see. Wow, we have a lot of passion and completion. 4 of Wands. So you, so for some of you, yeah, literally you will be celebrating a new job or something like that. You will get a new job or a new idea that will give you a lot of security, stability. Maybe your business will you know, with this completion card, it's a 4 of Wands energy. It's all about a celebration energy, and when it comes in career, it's about celebrating, right? It's about having fun, doing things that you like. And yeah, people are, I feel for many of you, you might meet people. For some of you, it can be a new job where you will meet people, and these people will be like your family. You will be celebrating with them. Maybe in the past, your work area, you know, where you worked was not good. They were not like family. They used to ditch, they used to gossip, and because of that you have suffered. But right now, what I feel for you guys, in your career, you are going to meet people who will celebrate your wins, who will be with you. For some of you, it can be a business that you're starting, a new idea, a new venture you're starting, and that will take off. Okay, yeah, that is also I'm getting here. For some of you, it can be literally a new job that will give you so much of happiness, so much, you will be feeling very fulfilled, and wherever you will work, I feel you will have fun. Okay, so if you're already in a job, if you're yeah, your work area is going to be good. I feel like that. Yeah, with this 4 of Wands and Ace of Wands, look at the fiery energy, right? You will be very passionate about this thing. So it can be a new idea. Maybe you will get new ideas. You will be taking this new idea to a new level, and this new idea will give you a lot of stability, a lot of security. Look at the number. You have 4 here. You have 4 here, right? So yeah, and 444 talk about stability, security, happiness, right? So yeah, so I'm getting here for some I'm getting you might start business with your friends, okay, and that might take off, doing something with your friends also. Yeah, this for some of you it can be a new job, a new beginning, a new idea that will give you a lot of success, and where yeah, a lot of success, a lot of happiness, a lot of victory, and you will be working with the people you love. Maybe if you do collaboration or something like that, you will be working with the people you love, you like. They will be like family to you, okay? You will be loving the things you will do. Your work life, you will be loving it. You will be doing out of joy, out of your passion. You will not be suffering anymore, I feel like. So yeah, work life, it will be good for you guys, very good, okay? You will be feeling very complete. You know, the thing you will be doing, it will make you happy. At the end of the day, you will be happy about your work. So that is what I feel for you guys. So love life, Justice and King of Pentacles. Okay, so finally so for some of you, this suffering of silence, I feel maybe it was because of a relationship, and finally you're getting the Justice. Okay, so the karma is going to be balanced, and that is why your heart is going to heal. Okay, so yeah, a lot of healing energy. And look at, we have the King of Pentacles. So yeah, in this means for some of you, you are going to meet a King of Pentacles, earth sign. Okay, literally an earth sign, or it can be Libra energy also. I'm getting here Libra energy, earth sign, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Okay, this person is going to be very mature. For some of you, it can be also related to your career. Okay, maybe this person will give you the finances you need to build your career or something like that. Maybe you will be studying something. Yeah, maybe I am also getting, for some of you might be studying, you know, you will be working and you will be studying at the same time, so that you can be very good at your work. Okay, so some extra courses also you might do, and this person might give you money. Okay, something like that also I'm getting here. Finances wise also, there is a lot of improvements coming for you guys, but overall what I feel like, you will be enjoying your work. Okay, so that is what I'm strongly feeling. And in this love life, definitely a person is coming. This person is going to be very, very balanced. Maybe this person can be older than you, but definitely very balanced. Financially also, this person is going to be very balanced. And for some of you, it can be an older person who will give you some advice regarding your love life, and that will make your heart heal. Yeah, sometimes if we get some good advice, we take that and we work on it, and our heart heals right now, you know. That is what I feel. For some of you, it can be older person who will give you that advice, that much needed advice. And because of that, you will be healing, you will be moving forward with your goals and desires, you will be loving yourself. But whatever it is, if you have been in a karmic cycle, that karmic cycle is going to end, and you will get the justice. For some of you, literally, if you have been have some court issues in your love life, maybe divorce, yeah, that is possible, and you are moving forward, yeah, to a place where you will be happy, where you will have finances, you will be able to take care of yourself. Okay, that is what I'm getting here. So yeah, let's see what else. Yeah, this could be the one, and worth waiting for. Yeah, okay, so so for some of you, you know, you need to be more open-minded in love life, because this King of Pentacles may be not the one, that, you know, it might not be the person you thought. You know, sometimes we have a lot of expectation that this person should look like that, like this, right? So for you guys, it's like, if you are single, it's like this person is going to give you everything, because this could be the one worth waiting for, right? Okay, so this is the person who is going to be very mature, the finances will be very good for him, and this person will give you the love that you never got in your life. Okay, that is what I have to say. You will get the justice. Okay, finally you are ending all that karmic relationships, and now you're moving into your life where you will have a good relationship, and yeah, it will be worth waiting for. Maybe for some of you, you had gone through a lot of relationship that were not good for you and you broke up. Now finally you will be meeting this person, and this is the one for you guys. Okay, and look, with the, you know, in this I feel like the career is also like about completion. You will be happy, finally you will be happy in your life because you will be meeting this person. Okay, so yeah, so you have already met the romantic partner you seek. Okay, so if you're thinking if this is the one, yes, this is the one. Yeah, if you're single, if you have met this person, if you've been thinking that this is the one, yes, this is the one. You have waited for this person for so long. And for some of you, if you have not met this person, you will meet, and it will be worth waiting for, because this person will give you so much of happiness, so much of I feel status, respect. You will get respect, the respect you never got. Okay, for this pile I feel like you never got respect, or maybe people have always let you down. They have not understood you. Finally this person will understand you for who you are. Okay, so yeah, that is what I feel. So finally your love life is, in your love life you will finally get justice. Okay, you haven't gotten that for so long, but finally in the next 365 days I feel like you will be meeting this person, things will move forward with this person, and you will be happy. You will be happy after a long time. Okay, I don't know, I feel like this pile is like you haven't been happy for so long. Your love life was a mess, but finally you're getting the justice. Finally, for some of you, if you resonate. Okay, this is what I'm getting for your love life. Okay, so let's see what are the blessings with these cards. Look, ring. A marriage will take place, either romantic or business. Okay, you know, I feel like this person might help you in your career also, or maybe for some of you this person might help you in career, this earth sign. And for, yeah, this person might propose to you, or finally you will get justice, like going to court and yeah, marrying this person. Court marriage I'm getting here. Okay, for some of you definitely. Wow, yeah, that is your blessing. For, yeah, with this, you know, 4 of Wands energy, maybe you will do something from your home, a business for that also this person might give you money. Maybe you will start something with your spouse, that is also possible. But definitely this is the one. This is the person you will be marrying. So for, yeah, next 365 days maybe you will be getting proposed. You have been waiting for that. So if you have been waiting for that proposal, yeah, in the next 365 days, that is also quite possible. If you have been waiting for that business proposal, yes, that is also quite possible, and that is the blessing. Yeah, look at that. With the suffering in silence and the torch, spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, understanding. For many of you, you're healing your heart, you're moving towards more spiritual path, and because of that you are attracting a lot of good people in your life. Okay, that is what I feel like. So you're many of you have encountered a lot of narcissistic relationship. Finally it's time to have good relationships in your life. Okay, finally you will be meeting the one who will make your heart heal. Okay, so yeah, that is what you have. You had your heart broken a lot of times. I feel like that finally you're healing it. Finally you're meeting the one. Finally you're going to marry this person. Okay, look, yeah, key, successful outcome to your problems. So whatever your problems right now if you're facing any problems right now, remember, everything will be okay, that there will be successful outcome, so you don't have to suffer anymore. For this pile, next 365 days things are going to ease up slowly. Your sufferings are going to be ending. You're going to get the justice. Divine is giving you the justice. Okay, yeah, that is what I feel. Look, getting together with friends, lot of friendship, lot of happiness, lot of, as I told you, a lot of people who will love you, who will celebrate your success. You're meeting them, you're going to be with them, you're going to enjoy life. Finally you are leaving that suffering and moving towards a place where you will feel happy with other people, where there will be people who will care for you. Okay, will understand for who you are. Okay, that is what I feel like. You will I feel for this pile, you know, many people have taken advantage of you, and because of that you had lost trust in divine, lost trust in relationship. But finally you are you're getting that trust back, something like that. But definitely this marriage thing might happen. literally you might marry or getting proposed. You will get proposed in the next 365 days. If you're already married, if you're in beautiful relationship, definitely a lot of friendships are coming. Maybe you will be going to weddings. That is also quite possible. But definitely a lot of growth, a lot of healing is happening for you guys. Yeah, again we got the green color here. Look at the greens, right? So humor, I choose to focus on the lighter side of life. So that is what you need to do right now. You have suffered a lot. You have encountered so many failed relationships. Maybe in career also you had so much of failures, but finally now it's time to shine. Now it's time to let go of that energy and be in a happy, when you have fun, when you have joy, that is when things get manifested, right? So have fun, focus on the lighter side of things, let go of the things that is making your heart heavy. Okay, so it just cry it out, just release it, but have fun, because there are friends with you. That is a blessing for you guys. For some of you, there are friends who love you, who will take care of you, who will make you happy. So focus on them, because yeah, things are aligning for you guys. Finally you're healing your heart, and when we heal our heart, that is when we receive the blessings. So yeah, for you guys also, I feel like, look, family, I was talking about that, where you will be working, you will be like with the people who will love you, who will take care of you. That is what I feel like, that is what is coming for you guys. Okay, more, I feel like that. So wherever you go, whatever you do, your family is here for you. It can be literally your family supporting you, okay, or for some of you it can be friends that will become family. Okay, so in the place where you work, the people will be so kind, and I feel for this pile, you have not seen that much kindness. Now you are going to see that, and because of that you will heal your heart. Okay, so let's see what else for the next 365 days for my pile 3 for the charms. Okay, so next 365 days for group number 3. Look, keep your confidence, be confident. Okay guys, don't lose your confidence. Look, we have 2 dices here and we have 1. So yeah, new beginnings, new start, new love, new passion. So many things, right? Yeah, stepping into new zone. Yeah, finally the wheel is in your hand. Yeah, the wheel is turning for you guys. The luck is coming, right? Yeah, you have a lot of people who have been talking in your back, gossiping. You're letting go of these kind of people. That is what I feel. New relationship. For some of you, literally you will move places, meet new people. Okay, that is also I feel like. A lot of, look, feathers. Yeah, angels are with you. A lot of growth is happening for you guys. A lot of freedom. For some of you, you might relocate. Maybe your family is not so good. You're moving away from them, and you will meet people who are family. Maybe, yeah, friends who are family. That is also I'm getting here. DA. For some of you, yeah. Let's see all the letters. So don't lose confidence. Be confident. Okay, that is very important. Work on your solar plexus chakra, because you have, yeah, you don't trust yourself. Sometimes you don't trust your intuition, your gut feeling. Trust that. Yeah, new life, guys. Altogether new life for you guys. You're slowly moving away from your sufferings. You have been so afraid, I feel like. Finally don't be afraid, don't be fearful. Okay, be confident. Let's see, we have A, because because I'm getting this Hindi word dar means fear. Okay, so you have been always very fearful of the things, but finally let go of that fear, guys, because there is so much more coming. Yeah, let go of the past, because it's time for new start. Let go of the people, let go of this things. For some of you, literally getting out of depression. For some of you, you might be traveling, moving to a new place altogether, new start, complete new start, healing your heart. Russia, why Russia? I'm getting the word Russia. Gia, okay. USA, okay, USA. For some of you, you might travel to USA, or maybe you're from USA. Gia. And we have Ria also. Okay. Look, trust your intuition, right? Trust your intuition, guys, because it's going to be very much strong. Your eyes are very beautiful. I don't know. So some of you need to know that your eyes are very beautiful. Yeah, express yourself. Or for some of you need to cry, release that, your ex, release the people who have made you suffer a lot, because there are so much good things coming your way. So enjoy life, have more fun, right? Take rest. Gaia, I'm getting Gaia, yeah, Mother Earth Gaia, connect with her. We have this green color a lot here. We have green here, right? So Mother Earth Gaia, get into nature, okay? So yeah, that's it. Bye bye, take care, group number 3.